Hi everyone. In this video I will show you how to show top view in AutoCAD 2025 using the fastest and easiest method. We can see top view, front view, side view in model as well as in layout here. If you want to see the top view, simply click here on the cube top view, and this is my top view. Click here on 2D wireframe and you can see the view in 2D. Now if you want to see 2 or 3 or 4 view in the model like front view, side view, top view, how we can see that? We have to click on visualize, select here viewport configuration, and you can select the view here as per your requirement. I will show you 4 views, 4 equal. Right click here, make it isometric, and I will make this one conceptual, and this one is my top view, and this is my front view, and this is my side view. Now if you want to print these views in layout, or you want to show all these views in the layout, we have to click here on the layout, and we will delete this one. We need a 4. Simply select and delete. Type here viewports, and here you can select single. Once you click here, you will see the preview here. Now I want to see 4. I will click equal 4 here, and here you guys can increase and decrease the spacing between the views. Let's see if I will make it 5, it will reduce. Type here viewports again. Now it's very less. I will make it 10. Now select the space in which you want to draw the views. These are the 4 views here. I will make this one conceptual, isometric. This one is my top view. This is my front view. And this is my side view. So now if you want to write something here, simply click outside here. You are the out of viewports. Type here empty text right here, and I will write here isometric view. Please the space, I will make it 8. You simply make it 6 so that it will fit properly. Same way, copy and paste here, front view, and here. And this is my top view. This is my front view, and this is my side view. So simply print here, select the printer. I will select drawing.pdf, and here I will select A3 preview. To be permit to send a preview. So if you plot, right click plot, then it will save, and your views are here. So in this way we can plot front view, side view or top view in AutoCAD.